Hi guys, welcome back to Creative Hannah. Today we are going to be making this crab and this turtle in different colors and maybe different sizes. Let's get on to the video, yo! So guys, the first step for making this crab is to split it apart, and then we roll it into a ball and squish it. I'm gonna take my purple, and then what you want to do is color all over it. Oh, and you need two colors for this. I'm doing purple and blue. So you do it like that, and then you fold it like a taco. Keep on folding and mixing. So I will see you guys until I get this purple to the color that I want. So I'll see you till then. So guys, we'll keep on doing this until you get it to the color that you want. So keep on mixing and mixing and mixing. Keep on mixing and flattening until you get it to the shade or the color that you want. Mixing it, just keep on mixing it until you get it to what you want. So I did my colors, so the next step is to take one color, make it into a ball. Second step is to make it into a ball, and then you want to push it with your thumb, and then you want to keep on pushing it until it has like a good size mouth, just like a crab. What do you guys think? And now we make all the little details with this blue clay. So like, make the little feetsies. You do a ball, stick it on. Do a ball, then you stick it on, and then you do 6 balls, so 3 for each side. Another ball, stick it on. Ball and stick that ball on, and now we do 3 more for the other crabby side. Do this one. I think this one might be a tiny bit big, so just rip it apart. So roll it and then stick it. I wonder how it will look when it's all done, but I've made a few of these before, so if you want to see me do a whole crab family, let's see if I can subscribe if you want me to do a whole entire crab family. So guys, you roll it into a ball, you stick your thumb between and just kind of make a little pinch pot. And then you stick it to the side so it looks like a little crab claw. There we go. And then I want to do just the exact same thing on the same side. So roll it into a bigger bowl. And then pinch, pinch, pinch. Like that, and like that. And then you can make the eyes by just rolling it and sticking it onto the top of the crab's head. So, see how it looks kind of funny? That's okay. But I'll also try to get the eyes the exact same size. If you have extra clay, you can give it like a little buddy. Should I give it a buddy or should I think I'm gonna try giving it a bow. So I'm going to do it. I'm gonna do a little circle, and then I'm gonna do a triangle. Flatten up the triangle a tiny bit more, like that. And then do a circle, turn it into a triangle, and then do it like that. Do you guys want me to do a sea turtle instead? Yeah, I think I'll do a sea turtle. So I will take all of this. So you want to make this turtle, you want this will be our head. You might need a bigger body because you only need so little. So roll that into a ball and then we'll just do the exact same pinch pot. And if yours breaks, just some regular Elmer's school glue shall work. So when you're putting it together, put the head like that, and then put his little turtle arms like that. Put your other turtle arm like that. Do another turtle arm a little bit bigger. What do you think we should do? This one might be a tiny bit too big. If you guys have, I think you guys are fun. If you are, let me know. And then there's the crab and his little turtle buddy.